Hi guys. So you may have just seen the video on graphical distance. Now, like I said, we want to do things not only graphically, but algebraically. That means using algebraic formulas. In this case, the distance formula. So I'm going to use the distance formula to find the distance from the same 2 points, -2, 7 and 6, 1. So this up here is doing it graphically. Now we're going to do it algebraically. Now the distance formula looks like this. I need a big square root here. Okay, it becomes the square root of, okay, what do I want to do? Let's do y1 squared minus y, let's get y2 squared. Actually, y1 minus y, no, let's do this right. What am I doing? Let's do y2 minus y1 and that whole thing squared. Okay, don't get this confused. Plus okay, and I gotta still be in the formula, so I want to be in here. I'm going to add to that x2 minus x1 squared. Now, you might wonder, why am I doing, what does it matter whether I do y1 minus y2 or y2 minus y1? It doesn't for this formula because it's being squared, but it will matter in other formulas, and I just want to get in the habit of always subtracting y2 minus y1. And now I'm screwing it up. Let's get rid of that. No, that's not what I want to happen either. There. That's the formula. Stop messing around, you silly thing. Okay. So, I'm going to plug in now. So, this is going to be, let me see if this thing is going to behave. This thing over here. So, this is going to be y. Oh, come on. You can do this. There. y2. So that's going to be, the 1 is going to be y2, and the 7, be good, is going to be y1, is the 7. So this is going to be parentheses 1 minus 7 squared. Now this is, 6 is x2. And -2 is x1. So this is going to be, we're going to add to that (6 minus -2). Very common error, forgetting the negative sign there. So it's very important not to lose things like the negative sign. Oh yeah, this computer is trying to be helpful to me. It's not. Now, and we want a square root. So you see I filled in y2 minus y1 squared and x2 minus x1 squared. Okay? Now, one way, so I can figure out that this is equal to, and it's taking my pen away again, come on, equal, it gets to the square root, 1 minus 7 is 6 squared. 6 minus negative, minus a minus is a plus, guys. You all know that, right? Minus a minus is a plus. So this becomes 6 plus 2, which is 8 squared, which is in turn equal to the square root of 36 plus 64, which is equal to the square root of 100, which equals 10. Same answer. It's the same problem we did graphically. Oops, now it doesn't want to do that. Okay, so this is the same problem that we did graphically up here and got 10. But now we want to do it algebraically. Now, some people are not great with their algebra. And it's just fine to use a calculator to do this. So I can say the square root of 1 minus 7 squared plus 6 minus negative 2 squared, and let the calculator do the work. But when you show your work, this is the way you show it. You gotta show the whole thing you typed into the calculator and what you got out the other side. So this is how I solve. So this is doing it algebraically. That's the algebraic distance formula. And